Hi guys, welcome back to the MochaCurlss channel. So today's video is going to be totally different from a lot of videos that I do. This is going to be a vlog of a day vlog of what I'm doing today. So today I am going to the natural hair show, and if there's anyone that's watching this video and haven't heard of the natural hair show, so basically it's going to be like product brands there, influencers there, so where you can network. And I thought that was so cool. I'm not sure in detail how everything's going to be. You'll see it if you continue watching this vlog, but basically it's a good chance to meet the CEOs of the brands and also just the network, as I mentioned. So I'm vlogging today and taking you on my journey of what I'm doing and how everything is. So I'm so excited. Like I said, I've never been before, and I just want to see how everything is. And just I've seen a lot of people say that it was really good. They went for years, and I'm like, crazy, I've never heard of this, especially since I've been an influencer for 3 years now. So take you on my journey today. About to head out. It's about an hour away. If you in Atlanta, Georgia, you know, y'all know that traffic is crazy. So yeah, about to go, leaving my house, close the garage. Yeah, something from Starbucks on my way. Waiting right now. So of course, before I get this day started, your girl had to, as you seen in that clip, had to stop at Starbucks, and your girl got a pink drink. I love anything with strawberries in it. This is my first time trying it out. I actually seen it before, but you know, can't be walking around with an empty stomach. I also got a sandwich, the sausage, egg, and cheese. So your girl has to be full before doing anything, like, you know, productive. I need that energy. So now on the way, you hear the GPS in the background. Got another 50 minutes to go. I said another 50 minutes. So yeah, check you later when I get there. Okay, y'all, so an hour later, I finally arrived to the event around 12 p.m.-ish, and I met up with my good friend, Margaret. This was both of our first time attending this natural hair show, which was a good experience for both of us. I was so excited just to attend and witness all of these Black-owned businesses. It's so inspiring just to see their growth and where they started and how they're at this event now. So inspiring. So if any of you guys are unfamiliar with Taliah Waajid, she does have a natural hair brand, of course, with her name, Taliah Waajid. So she specialized in natural hair products for us natural girls. And she also is the founder of this natural hair show. So in this natural hair show, she does have this exhibit, which kind of shows us how she started and how she furthered in her career and where she is now. So she had inspirational quotes here just to guide you in the same path and give you that same type of inspiration. She also had props here where you can take selfies. So this exhibit was very beautiful. It was a little path that you can go on and just follow around with the quotes. Like, I thought it was so beautiful just to see a Black woman advance in growth in where she wants to be in life. I love that.
Okay, now skip down back to the red and white.
Oh, you can go.
You said? Oh, no.
I like that.
What do you like?
I dream big. I started small, but I started. I like that. Life will knock you down, but
TikTok, then you know who this is. She's famous for her People Be Like videos. So she was so much fun. And thank you, girl, for taking all my pictures and videos. So I didn't get to take a picture with Taliah Waajid or any videos, but I did happen to catch her in this clip by Yandy's skincare line. Of course, everyone is working in their element, so we didn't want to stop them, be like, hey, can you take a picture with us? I'm pretty sure they would have, but because we see them working, interacting with customers, we didn't want to disturb them. So I did get this clip though. So as you can see, we're just walking around the event, and also shout out to my friend Margaret for helping me record and vlogging today's vlog. She was a big help, helping me capture all the great vendors and everything. So shout out to you, girl. Sorry for the glare, guys, in advance, but I did want to show in little clips of me interacting with a few Black businesses. This was a business from Locks of Love. She said she just started last year. So I do love to support those who are not big brands, but also the smaller brands, because I do know how it is just to start from scratch and just to get those customers in. So check her out. She's Locks of Love. She does also specialize in products for not only locks, but natural hair, curly girls as ourselves as well. Okay, y'all, so we ended up walking around the whole event. It was a really good experience just to interact with a lot of vendors. Got to see a lot of Black business products that I haven't seen before. It was a really good experience, and I'll definitely be back again. So I do thank you guys for watching and enjoying this experience with me at this natural hair show for the first time.